So this video, we're gonna do this little road right here. There's a posada right there, and we're just gonna kind of go along the beach slightly, and then we're gonna go up this road, and you can see a bus way in the distance as well. So we're gonna be walking up to that main road up there, and kind of show you a little hint of the beach plus the main road, like basically how people can get here. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So this is the main road up there. You can see some cars and traffic up that way. And then this is kind of the beach area. And it goes all the way down like that. And it goes all the way. It's a small beach. Haksai Beach is the bigger beach. And then this is kind of the smaller beach. And then over here we have some bathrooms. There's a convenience store. You can get some coffee, water, soda, stuff like that. And we're gonna head right up that way. I'm kind of tempted to go by the water, but I think it's better to view it from here. And let's just kind of see here. So right at the foot we have a ton of shade, which is really nice. I'm just going to come in right here where this kind of inviting yellow Greek statues are at. Then we'll just come right up. So now we have this beautiful view, so people can come all the way up here. You can also do a little stuff here with your feet. Take your shoes off and get a little bit of circulation. Looks like my sock was half off already. Okay. So really nice. And we're gonna come back this way. And what we're gonna do is kind of go up that main road a little bit. And we're gonna go up in that space. Before we do, let's just kind of capture the feeling of everything here. So yeah, this is actually the second beach. The first beach is a lot bigger, but I feel like it's really spread out. It takes a while to walk it, so it's more interesting on this one. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk up, and we're gonna go towards this whole street all the way up that way. And some people will come up this trail right here. That's the Cheoc Van Beach, Pariah's beach. It's funny how they still have phone booths. Let's see if that even works. Nothing, right? Nothing. 1 map, 5 map. Oh no, it works. Out of order. Okay. Once again, kids must be wondering what that is. So this is our street right here. Rua de António Francisco. And I guess what we're gonna do, it's kind of funny, like usually I like to walk streets, but this one I'm like, should I walk up it? But I guess I should, because so anyways, there's a mountain road up that way, so we're gonna walk up that way. And we got parking on over here, so I think what I'll do before we go up, get a view of the posada a little bit, so people can get hotel rooms overlooking the water. I'm not sure how much they cost. I think during COVID you could get these things for low price because there was hardly any tourists, but now I can't even imagine what it would be. I can't even guess. At least $100, if not $200. Pretty nice. And it's the marina right there. So actually I know a guy who has a kayak, and he takes the kayak out, so he comes here and gets it. And there's the Alaska kayak. They have names. And some boats. So pretty cool little spot. You can see the road up there now. You know what I think I'm gonna do? The children for our men. Something about God. Something about children. Anyways, we're gonna go. I am gonna go up this street, but I'm gonna go get my car. So we're gonna walk all the way up to that spot up there. But I think I'm gonna drive up to the top, and then I'm gonna film up there a little bit, and I'm gonna film it while I'm walking with driving with the camera as well. So stay tuned. I'll just walk over by the beach real quick, and then I'll get in the car from there, and then we'll focus on our target street there. So this looks like kind of cool trees right there. They grow like bamboos. Okay. So there's Cheoc Van. So let's go up our target street. And then we'll attach the two together. Actually, that's a really good view. I'm glad that I came over here. Just kind of capture that real quick. Okay, there's our beach. And we're gonna go up that road and kind of give you an idea what it looks like. And then I'm gonna get out of parking spot up there in a second. So yeah, looks nice. I'm gonna drive all the way up. So there's our target street, Rua de António Francisco. And actually, if you were watching kind of recently, I did film at the top of this not too long ago, but I've never actually filmed this street itself. And of course, it's better to walk down, but then either way, you have to walk back up the hill, right? And the hill it's a beautiful hill, but cars come down it, and some of them come down kind of fast, and it's actually not that great for walking. And if I got a car, I have to come back and get the car. So we'll just drive up to the top, and then we'll park up at the top. But people are walking down it, of course, but then when you're in a car, sometimes there's two cars that come up. And I'm gonna park right to the left here. So that was the street that we just drove up. And then there's kind of I think this is a hotel up here. We're gonna take a look at that as well in a second. And then we also have this little kiosk right here. So there's a kiosk that you can hang out at. And then there's also a little, walk down this real quick. Just kind of walk. And then we have this really beautiful view right here as well. So that's kind of like the most really beautiful view. And you can walk down in that spot, but then it ends like right at the corner over there as well. So let me kind of walk over that way real quick. So yeah, then you can see Cheoc Van a little bit down that way. The beach is that way. Some houses that way, and then there's some rocks. So if you saw the other video, I was walking down in that spot, and we just basically came up that way. And there's a really beautiful kiosk right here as well. So okay. Hello. And then there's Posada right here, which is, I think this is for young people to stay at. Let me just kind of take a look real quick. So yeah, Miradoro de Cheoc Van. So that whole space is like lookout of Cheoc Van, Miradoro. And I think what we're gonna do is just kind of walk up it a little bit. And I think this is like a posada right here for like youth hostel, I think. So we'll probably come around that real quick too. And of course you got these amazing views. So we're gonna go up to that main road right up there so you can see the road. And that is actually a youth hostel right there. So that one right there, young people can stay and get like a dormitory bed in that space. So yeah, you can see it right there. So Cheoc Van Youth Hostel, Posada de Juventude de Cheoc Van. And that's that little Miradora right there. And this is our target street right here. You just kind of see. And then that's kind of that's the main road right there. Yeah, it looks really beautiful, really beautiful. Wow, look at that view. Yeah, so as soon as you come around the corner here, you can see all that right there. So when you drive down, you're kind of driving into it. And actually that car right there is why I don't like to walk down, because they come around real fast. And there's a little park right here too. I think this park is for the people that are staying in the hostel. But yeah, can you imagine sitting in this space? I think we're gonna jump that fence in a second, take a look. But now you can see the main road, and you can see the Posada as well. And so yeah, I guess this is access to that youth hostel. That's really cool. There's another building down there. I kind of wish that was a youth hostel too, because there's another stuff here. This is like private residence. I don't know what's up there. We'll just kind of take a look a little bit. Then I got this beautiful view. Let's see. There we go. So if I do that, I can kind of catch that mountain and also this right here, right? So now you can see the sign and the ocean, right? Okay. Yeah, I'm really curious what's up in that space. But this is called Cheoc Van Road. And yeah, I kind of want to climb over here and just take a look real quick. I'm sure many people do. Yeah. Yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, that was basically our target street down that way, and you can see some of the cars coming and going from up here as well. So I think what we might do is just walk slightly to maybe that spot over there, just kind of let you see on this rooftop. It'd be kind of cool to have like benches up there, another spot to sit as well. And I think what we're gonna have is yeah, what is that up there? So we're gonna catch it from that view right there. So let me pop up over there. Okay, so here's the view. So now we can see Cheoc Van Beach right there, and we have this beautiful view from up above. And so from when you're down there, you can also see the cars coming along these roads right here, especially when they come right through here. So there's a nice little opening. And actually I haven't really looked down here. It's interesting because there's like windows right there, but they open to like nothing. They're just windows that are like facade. It's really interesting. Huh. Swimming pool way in the distance. And then I guess this one is Cheoc Van Convention Center. So I don't know what that was. It says San Jose Villa. Huh. It's really beautiful. Let me just take a look at this view right here. And so basically the street that we just did, it's just along that street right there. Interesting, very interesting. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la